Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to get up and running using SoundCloud Manager version 3. This tutorial I'm quickly going to take you through the main features of the program that you will probably want to be using straight away. I'm going to assume that you already have loaded in your account. Let's see, I've got my account here, and you're going to be using the tab, the accounts view per tab. This is a default view the program loads in. So, follow tab, we come here. Following is a great action, and when you follow users, the idea is a percentage of them will follow you back. So what we need to be doing is finding accounts who are interested in our music, similar styles, similar artists, and we'll follow them. So we can follow similar followers of similar artists. That's a good way to find users who are interested in a particular artist, a particular style, and might be interested in our music. So I'm going to specify I'm just going to follow 10 of those users, and I want to pause randomly between 16 and 32 seconds. A pause value is good, it just adds some randomness and realism to your actions. I'm going to want to make sure I only follow a user once. Don't worry too much about that, just for now always keep it checked. I'm going to play one of their tracks before following. I'm going to download. You may choose to favourite a track and repost a track of the user before following them. I like to favourite a track first, as it just gives an extra reason why we're following them, because we like their music. Filter, I am going to set a filter. I'm going to make sure the users have been active within 30 days, and I'm going to make sure they have a minimum of 50 followers. Research has shown that you will get a higher percentage of follow backs if the user has over 50 followers. They're more active on SoundCloud, they're more involved in the SoundCloud community, less likely to be a fake account. And that's it. We simply click follow. Check my account, make sure we have selected the account to action on. Click follow. Our action has now been created, added to the processing tab, and is running. Another one, I'm going to search for tracks and follow the artists of the track. So we're going to search for artists who've uploaded tracks for the genre of acid, and I'm going to make sure they have uploaded a track in the last week and make sure they're active. If you want, you can limit the search by a title search, or just leave it blank, and we'll just be searching for tracks tagged acid. Again, play, download, favourite, 10 tracks, all as before, follow. And that's it. That's how we set up a follow. Same methods for how we like a track. I'm going to search for tracks with acid. Actually, I'm going to do a different one. I'm going to search for techno tracks, as we were liking tracks of acid in our follow action. Again, make sure they're very recent. This time I'm going to make sure they've been uploaded in the last day. I want to do 20, and I want a pause of 12 to 24 seconds. Again, you can specify to play a track, download a track, repost, follow the user. But as we've already done in the follow action, I'm just going to play and download a track before liking. One option, one track by artist every X days. Perhaps an artist has just uploaded 20 tracks all in one go. If so, we might be liking all 20 tracks. So we're going to make sure that we will only like one track per artist every 3 days. So it just adds a bit more realism if you think about what you're doing. Again, have a filter, user active. If you want to add a filter for the user, again, going to go for 50 follows. And then we're going to run our action. Absolutely the same method for the repost. Let's go for dub. Let's keep it in the last month. Let's keep it 10 seconds. I'm only going to repost 5. Again, play, download. Make sure we will only repost one track per artist every 1 day. All set up, repost. Another one you might want to be doing is commenting. So messaging tab, track comment box. Here I'm going to search again for the Acid Techno this time. We're going to set a comment. So there's some random comments there. If you are doing commenting, do think about your comments. It's quite important that you don't just spam the same comment over and over and over and over again. You can use some randomness, such as spin tags and tokens, but do see the relevant tutorial on that, as I'm not going to go into details here. It's just a quick overview. So comments, I'm only going to want to post 4. Do not think you can post unlimited comments. You cannot. Limit it to what you are doing. Be very targeted in the tracks that you comment on. So again, a bit more of a bigger pause for commenting. SoundCloud wants you to pause a bit more. We want to repeat, and we're going to play, and we're going to download, and we're going to fave and repost the track that we're commenting. And again, comment on the track once every 3 days, just to keep it realistic. Okay, once that's all built, again, comment, add it to processor. So we come into the processor now. All our tracks are now running. All our actions are running, sorry. So here we're hitting a lot of the filter that we set. So here's a followers. We must have over 50 followers. This user only had 8. So there's a filter. Here's the actions that are running. So that's just doing its thing in the background. Here's a different follow. You can see the action set here. That was a follow followers of. This is a track search. Again, filters hitting there. So we're still searching, trying to find enough users for the filter. If you decided that your action was hitting too much of a filter, you can cancel it. And the action will cancel when it next can. So the follow tab, let's just remove the filter. Custom filter was removed. And then we can run it again. So if you want to run these actions that are waiting, we will need to increase the threads. Not always a good idea to run so many actions at any one time for a single account. It does mean SoundCloud will see me following, favoriting, reposting, messaging. All too quickly. But just for the example. So here's the follow now running. Scraped, found. Here we go. Commenting, all running through. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can get up and running using SoundCloud on the follow, like, repost, commenting. Many more features in the application. Also many more tutorials telling you all about it. As well, come to the forum, rootjazz.com/forum. Ask any questions, search for any questions you may have. It's a good resource. Lots of the questions you may have are already been answered. Okay, thanks for watching.